Hey there, I'm David. On this channel, I take you on a journey to Sweden. I bought a house there in early January 2023 and I'm now moving in. This is the first house I own. I'm a software developer and I usually spend most of my time in front of the PC. I'm moving to Sweden to reconnect with nature. There's a lot of work to do and I'm sure it's gonna be a challenge, but I'm here for it. This is the first episode where I document the trip over to the property. Thank you for joining me on my journey. I drove up to Kiel to catch the ferry to Göteborg. This should make for a much more pleasant experience compared to the last time when I drove all the way up to the property with the camper van. I'm also a photographer, so I might show you a few photos of the trip here and there.
No.
I don't know much about the house. From what I was told, it was built in the late 50s. The property is near Torsby, right at the border with Norway, making it the perfect starting point for trips and adventures. The house belonged to a teacher in the 60s and I was told it was quite a beautiful place back then. I hope to restore it to its former glory.